All praises to YAHAWAH, YAHAWAH Shai, double honors to the elders and apostles of the Millstone, Shalom to the one that Israelites. Okay, Israel together, basically the northern and the southern kingdom. Okay, and this bird here, okay, sounds actually like a laser. Alright, and you know, when I saw this video, okay, a brother showed me another video yesterday about a bird making a chainsaw sound, okay, imitating 20 other animals in the forest where he is basically, okay. But this one is basically the same one, okay. I checked it out and it's basically the same one with the chainsaw sound and with the imitating sound of 20 other animals, even apes and you know, just other animals that are that surrounded him. So he could learn it by being surrounded by these animals and sounds. Okay, that's what we know at this point. Okay, what you know, but this one is making laser sounds. All right, and basically this is kind of different. Okay, because you would not expect this bird, okay, having his area there, okay, having him surrounded by laser sounds, okay. So what I think is that he got it from YAHAWAH, okay, or they actually put a TV before his head, okay, and showed him the movie Star Wars, okay. Otherwise I can't really not explain how this bird knows what a laser sounds like and why he can make that sound. That bad actually, man. Okay, if you watch it, and I will show it to you right now, you would think that he actually saw chariots of YAHAWAH, YAHAWAH Shai, okay, because we know that these UFOs are the chariots of YAHAWAH, the God of the Bible. Okay, it's really a curse to the world, but it's also not to forget a power that is used by YAHAWAH, because he's the power of the universe, not just this earth. Okay. Okay, and you would think that he saw some of these chariots already shooting lasers, okay, because that's what they will do, okay, at some point in this wartime, okay. So we will, okay, take a little look, okay, and just make your own
Das Doppel aus Protein und Genuss. Der mildfrische Gervais-Hüttenkäse. Jetzt probieren.
Okay, where he got it from, man. Okay. And please, okay, listen while he makes that main laser sound, okay. Basically, you can hear like in the background that, you know, there's a fight going on in the background, okay, and he even imitates that, man, okay, you know, while you have this main laser sound what he got, man. Okay, so please tell me where this bird got the laser sound from, if you just were standing there the whole time. So do a commentary if you want, okay? And check out the other one with the chainsaw sound, man, okay? He imitates basically 3 more animals that you can hear in the other video, right? Just check it out, you know, this is just one what I saw with this laser, okay? And I don't know if the brother saw this one because he actually imitates a laser here, man, okay? And he showed me that other one, man, okay? And I was thinking like, you know, chainsaw, what? You know, and he imitates a camera shot basically, you know. Let's get it real quick, you know, real quick, okay? Bird imitates chainsaw. It's really a little bit longer, so I try to come. So check this out. Okay. This is part of quality, maybe?
Stolzer Partner Twins Bayern. Jetzt Deckelcode eingeben und tolle Preise gewinnen.
Okay, YAHAWAH has wonderful works on this earth. Okay. Why, you know, people don't even consider. Okay, but, you know,
persuade females to come close and admire his plumes. He sings the most complex song he
okay,
can.
and this is the same one.
He does
You
that
see, this is the same one. Don't tell me this is a different
all the
version.
other birds he has
I think
around
it's
him,
exactly the
such
same
as
one.
the kookaburra.
So let's
Of at least
see.
20 different species. And that's a car alarm.
This is a car alarm. He showed me this, man, and I knew that other one from before with the laser sound, so basically,
And now
you know.
the sounds of foresters and their chainsaws working nearby.
No, man, you see? A chainsaw, man. Not really, right? You know, and you have octopus in the seas, man. Okay, even another second, and he is completely transparent with his surrounding, or basically, what is it? Invisible. Okay, because he can create with his brain the colors that he basically swims on, you know, itself like swim, you know, but crawling basically, or you know what I mean. Okay, so you can see him. He's 100% even better, so to speak, than his surrounding in that color, man. You know, in that camouflage, basically. Well, nah, man. You know that's YAHAWAH creating animals like that, so you can see, you know, basically Shalom, right?